painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, number 2 from way down here, guys. We're working on a big canvas today. I don't know how big this is. I think it's a 30 by 36. I already painted it once, and I dig it. I did a traveling split cup here. And then I swiped some areas with some silver and Obsidian and some TLP Galaxy. And I've been looking at it for quite a few weeks now, and I've decided I want to kick it up a notch a little bit. I had swiped some silver over this white base coat, which was Artist Loft White, and it just almost looks like a mistake to me. So I'm going to be doing a little more swiping, some dry swiping, and then when it's done, I might do some brush work in some areas. Let me just kind of pick it up so you can see it. It's really quite pretty, very monochromatic. So we are working today with some more Artist Loft White in the soft body acrylics mixed with my pouring medium 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a healthy squirt of GAC 800. My paints are very, very thin. I also have it in this cup right here. This is just Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. This right here is Yummy Goodness. That is this little Piggy TLPs, and that is their Galaxy. Now this was mixed a little bit different. I put a big scoop in the cup, doused it with my Josanya gloss varnish, mixed it up to make a nice paste, and then I added my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, and a squirt of GAC 800. Right here we have golden fluid acrylics in the iridescent silver fine, and I'm sorry, this right here is Amsterdam titanium white, not the Artist Loft White. Now the silver and the white are mixed with 1 part paint, 3 parts Aussie Floetrol. Everything else is mixed with my regular pouring medium. And I'm just going to fiddle with this painting, see if I can kick it up a notch, take away the areas that I don't like, do some dry swiping. I also might do some wet swiping up here at the top. So we're just going to fiddle, and I'm glad you're here fiddling with me, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Never